Hello! Today I will show you how I paint my Squigs. I start with the first coat of Barrack Burgundy on all the miniature. Then I use some Mephiston red to do a first glaze to define my areas of light and shadows. Try to be very precise and not put it everywhere. Then you can see that it's not very opaque, so you will need to do a second coat, like now. Then you should have a result like this. I use some Evil Sunz Scarlet to do my first highlight on the skin. Squigs are very good for volumetric shading. When it's done, you should have something like this. You can see it's already very much vibrant. Then I use some Barbarian Fles on the jaws and on the gums. Then I use some Screaming Skull to do all the teeth and the claws. You'll need to shade this with some Agrax Earthshade. Then I'll do my final highlight on the skin with Wild Rider Red. I try to be very precise to not ruin the two first coats. The transitions are a bit too harsh, so I use some Evil Sunz Scarlet as a very thin glaze to put everything together. I use some Screaming Skull to highlight all the gums. I like to use the same paint for different steps. I'll do a fine line highlight from Corax White on the teeth, the claws, and to put the dot in the eyes. At the end, you should have a miniature like this. You can be proud of yourself. As you can see, this tutorial is worked for Squig orders, but it can also be applied for Squig hoppers. If you want a tutorial on this one or grots, you can ask me in the comments.